Don't come back. Birta maraza. Don't come back. Don't know about it. د دې په اړه نه پوهیږم. Don't know about it. Don't get angry. مه خفه کېږه. Don't get angry. Don't get upset. مه خفه کېږه. Don't get upset. Don't make haste. بیړه مه کوئ. Don't make haste. Don't make a hurry. بیړه مه کوه. Don't make a hurry. Don't force me. ما مه مجبوروه. Don't force me. Don't compel me. ما مه مجبوروه. Don't compel me. Don't tickle me. ما مه تخنوه. Don't tickle me. Don't say that. داسې مه وایه. Don't say that. Don't tell a lie. دروغ مه وایه. Don't tell a lie. Don't pluck. مه شو کوه. Don't pluck. Don't ask. پوښتنه مه کوئ. Don't ask. Don't cry. مه ژاړه. Don't cry. Don't be sad. غم مه کوه. Don't be sad. Don't talk. خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk. Don't worry. اندېښنه مه کوه. Don't worry. I don't care. زه یې پروا نه لرم. I don't care. I don't mind. زما پروا نشته. I don't mind. Don't give up. هار مه منه. Don't give up. Don't touch it. لاس مه ورډه. Don't touch it. Don't be angry. مه غوسه کېږه. Don't be angry. I don't get it. زه پې پوی نه شوم. I don't get it. I don't get it. زه یې نه اخلم. I don't get it. Don't be absurd. Don't be absurd. بې ځایه مه اوسئ. چټي یا فضول سړی ځان نه مه جوړوه. Don't lie to me. ما ته دروغ مه وایه. Don't lie to me. I don't need it. زه دې ته اړتیا نه لرم. I don't need it. Don't come again. بیا مه راځه. Don't come again. Don't lose heart. زړه له لاسه مه ورکوئ. زړه مه بایلئ. Don't lose heart. Don't oppose him. د هغه مخالفت مه کوئ. Don't oppose him. Don't tell on me. ما ته مه وایه. Don't tell on me. I don't know him. زه هغه نه پیژنم. I don't know him. زه هغه نه پیژنم. I don't love her. زه د هغې سره مینه نه لرم. I don't love her. I don't mean you. زما مطلب تاسو نه یې. I don't mean you. I don't remember. زما ته یاد نه دی. I don't remember. Don't let me down. په امیدو مې خاورې مه دوړوه. Don't let me down. I don't feel well. زه ښه احساس نه کوم. زه ښه نه محسوس کوم. زما طبیعت نه ده صحیح. I don't like this. زه دا نه خوښوم. I don't like this. Don't eat too much. ډیر مه خورئ. Don't eat too much. Don't climb on this. په دې کې مه ځه. په دې باندې مه خیژه. Don't climb on this. Don't listen to her. هغې ته غوږ مه نیسئ. Don't listen to her. Don't work too hard. ډیر سخت کار مه کوئ. Don't work too hard. I don't like movies. زه فلمونه نه خوښوم. I don't like movies. I don't want dinner. زه ماښام ډوډۍ نه غواړم. I don't want dinner. I don't want lunch. زه د غرمې ډوډۍ نه غواړم. I don't want lunch. Please don't get up. مهرباني وکړه مه پاسېږه. Please don't get up. Don't eat like a pig. د سور په څېر مه خورئ. Don't eat like a pig. Don't let the dog in. سپی دننه مه پرېږدئ. Don't let the dog in. Don't push your luck. خپل بخت مه اړوه. خپل بخت ته بد مه وایه. Don't push your luck. Don't shut your eyes. سترګې مه تړئ. Don't shut your eyes. Don't talk like that. داسې خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk like that. Why don't we go home? ولې موږ کور ته نه ځو. Why don't we go home? Don't be disappointed. مایوسه کېږه مه. Don't be disappointed. Don't drink and drive. مه څښئ او موټر مه چلوئ. Don't drink and drive. Don't leave the TV on. تلویزیون لګېدلی مه پرېږدئ. Don't leave the TV on. Don't let the dog go. سپی چې درنه لاړ نشي. Don't let the dog go. Don't touch my camera. زما کیمرا مه ټچ کوئ. Don't touch my camera.